And once the installation finishes, you will see the AltStore in your applications. So let me open it. Here you can see that it is from an untrusted developer. So now what you need to do is just go to your settings. Here go to general. You'll need to scroll all the way down to VPN and device management. And here we have the developer app. Go here and trust your email ID. Then also go back to the main screen and scroll all the way down to privacy and security. Then scroll down once again and you will find developer mode here. You will need to have it turned on, and I'm gonna turn it on now. So my device is now restarting. That's why the screen is stuck here. So my device has turned back on. Let me reconnect it with the Mac. So my iPhone has turned back on. Now let me take you to AltStore, and here it has turned on. Click on allow, and after that you can see that there are a lot of applications given here. You can add many sources in it. We have services tab, we have browse, my apps, and settings. If you have an app available in your files, you can click on this plus icon and it will take you to files. So I have this IPA file here. You can go to this website. It is called iosninja.io. It has a lot of IPA files for WhatsApp, Snapchat, and many other applications. You can find a lot of applications here. So I have this battery life IPA. I'm gonna share it with my iPhone 16 Pro. After that, tap on the plus icon, and here you'll find the battery life.ipa. Select it, and here you can see that currently it is installing. And once you install your first application, it will again ask you for the Apple ID credentials. Just enter them here. Make sure you're entering the same Apple ID here. After that, click on got it, and now let's wait for it to finish the installation. And now the application has been installed.